Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on all things lifestyle on a budget, and today I decided to do a what I eat in a day via intuitive eating. So basically for me, what that means is that I'm just eating when I feel hungry. I'm not forcing myself to follow a schedule. I'm not doing intermittent fasting, which is eating between a certain parameter of time. I'm literally just waking up and eating when I feel hungry and just kind of following how that works throughout the day. It works really well for me for days where I'm at home or I'm just doing errands around the house or I have no time constraints whatsoever. So if you're interested in what I eat in a day for intuitive eating, then keep on watching. All right, so here is my lunch. It's about 2 o'clock or so. Like you saw, I think my first meal was around 10:30. I woke up earlier than that, but I was doing things. So I was like getting my laundry together and organizing stuff and figuring out what clothes I want to donate and whatever. And I just woke up feeling like not hungry, probably because I had a heavy dinner. So I didn't really rush it. Now on days where I have work and I have to go to the city and all that kind of stuff, I kind of just wake up and like have to eat. Mostly like days that I have off or where I have a lot of free time or like I have a lot of leniency, I would say that I do intuitive eating, so I can choose when I want to eat because of the fact that like I have flexibility in my schedule. So for today, because it's a Sunday, like I went to church in the morning, came back, now I'm doing laundry, like I'm just utilizing, like I'm not leaving the house again until I go take yoga. Basically I have flexibility for when I want to eat. So it's like 2 o'clock like I said now. The only thing is that I have that yoga class at 4:30 and it's hot yoga, so I try to eat farther in advance, so like not right before because it'll just be like sloshing around in my stomach. But yeah, so this is huge and so good, and this is literally the type of meal that I can eat every single day of my life and like never get tired of it. I had pretty much this yesterday. The only thing I didn't have was this like chicken scallopini or whatever it's called, the like fake chicken, because I hadn't gotten my groceries yet. So I had the collard greens, I made those in the morning. I had the veggies, I made the beans, and I always put the beans in turmeric to kind of help with gas. So like turmeric is an anti-inflammatory, which is also why I take those turmeric pills now. I've just decided to start taking it to just see how my body feels and deals with inflammation and stuff like that. The dosage for those turmeric pills is like 3 times a day, but I've just been taking 1 a day and I feel good on it. I feel like I haven't been like crazy bloated or things like that. So I'm gonna keep trying it. And I was supposed to, if you saw my other video, I was supposed to start eating tofu again to see if it broke out my skin, but I kind of forgot. And when I ordered food yesterday, I was like, oh, I'll get like, tofu and mixed vegetables type thing. And I just like by habit, like just got the mixed vegetables instead. So I forgot I'm supposed to be trying that and reintroducing it to see if it breaks out my skin, but I actually forgot. Yeah, so like you saw, there's some white rice in here. I don't fear white rice. I don't eat it often. I think when I was ordering, it was going to say the brown rice was going to cost a little more. And so I just thought like, okay, I'll just get the white rice. I love adding the avocado in as well. That just like makes everything better, does it not? And of course a little hot sauce. So yeah, so this is my lunch. I'm gonna sit and eat this, and doing laundry and organizing and things around the house. It's pretty simple. Again, like I said, I could have this every single day and be so content. It's just so good. And in terms of protein, yesterday I had this and I just used my beans as my protein, and then today I just upped it a little bit, and now I added this chicken, which I think I posted on. If you can see it a little bit, it has 11 grams of protein, so that's good. Yeah, I already have a meal planned for dinner because I made it last week and I'm just kind of eating it throughout the week. It was a chickpea pasta that was so good. It definitely tastes a little different because it's chickpeas, but it was really, really good. It's a chickpea noodle, by the way. That's like a new thing I think that is out on the market, but I actually really liked it. It's heartier tasting, and then I added in some of the Gardein crumbles. As you can see, I use Gardein like a lot, so thankful for them that they have a lot of these meat substitutes. But like I said, usually what it is that I'll buy like Gardein burgers and maybe the chicken thing and the crumbles, or I'll use my beans and chickpeas as my main source of protein, or quinoa, etc., etc. I really like intuitive eating. I just don't think it's I don't think I can do it every single day just because of my schedule, my work schedule, my life schedule. But I do enjoy days where I'm home and I can just kind of like eat as I go. This is my lunch, and I'm gonna stop talking because I really want to eat. Alright, so that is everything that I ate for that day. This is now the next day because I didn't do a closing there. I think somewhere in there I also had like a piece of toast and some like vegan butter, so I'll just add that in. But today is the next day and I'm going to be heading into the city, and like I was mentioning, for example, I have a lot of things to do today, so I actually woke up I think around 7 or so and had my breakfast, which today I did some oats. It's called sweet oats. It's one of my favorite things to do. Sweet oats or savory oats, because I needed to have it early in the day because I have a lot to do today. I won't be able to really do intuitive eating today because again I have things to do throughout the day with work and stuff like that. Comment down below if you do intermittent fasting or intuitive eating, or you have a set schedule of like your 3 meals and 2 snacks or whatever. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.